This is the elevator at the campus center in Allegheny College in Meadville, Pennsylvania. This elevator is kind of busy, but it's a ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic Impulse. Like the lantern's outside, that's right. Down to 1. Here, go down. I think fire service is on 1, but and stars on 2. Arrow indicator, that's interesting. Here at 1. It's rare. Arrow. Got the 3R. And carry the lot. Here 3R. That's my first time on an impulse with an arrow indicator. All the impulse I've been on over the years. Stained glass, that's interesting. Back down to 2. That's the only chime that works, or maybe there's just too many people around here, the other ones. 88 phone. It's a basic laminate, like a tan cab. This elevator's probably installed early on enough. It's probably Seelar, not ThyssenKrupp. I could be wrong. Go back at 2. That's going to be it.